Okay, what is this thing called regenerative agriculture?
We started studying regenerative systems, and we distilled it down to just a few questions. Did you till last year or not?
Tillage is the process of breaking the soil with a disc or plow to eliminate weeds and plant seeds. Regenerative agriculture does not till.
Did you plant cover crops last year or not?
A second principle of regenerative agriculture is planting different species of cover crops, so the soil is never exposed to the elements.
Did you use herbicides or fungicides or insecticides?
Regenerative agriculture vastly reduces the use of chemicals and instead relies on making plants and soil healthy so they can resist pests.
Did you integrate animals into cropland?
Just like in nature, in regenerative agriculture, herds of animals are used to eat weeds and fertilize the soil.